In this video, we will see what are comparison operators and how they work. Here we will try run, and in the next video do the implementation. First I have double equal, then not equal, after that greater than. In double equal, we check whether the value of two operands are equal or not. We will store them in variable, then check. If the condition is yes, then it becomes true, otherwise it will return as false. Let's assume that we have 10 as A and 20 as B. Are 10 equals to 20? No, it's not. So it will not be true. Example, A equals to B is not true. In not equal, the value of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Let's take an example. A 10 not equal to B 20. These are not equal, so it will return as true. In greater than, we will check whether A10 is greater than B20. Here A is not greater than B, so it will return as not true. Example, A is greater than B is not true. Then we have less than. We will see whether A is less than B. Here A10 is less than B20, so it will return as true. Example, A is less than B is true. Till here we are checking single conditions. Now we will check double conditions. We have greater than equals to. If any one condition is true, then it will be returned as true. If two conditions are false, then it will be returned as false. Let's take an example. A 10 greater than equals to B 20. Both conditions are false, so it is returned as false. Example, A greater than equals to B is not true. In less than or equal to, also both conditions will be checked. If any one condition is true, it will be returned as true. Whereas if two conditions are false, then it will be returned as false. Here I have A10 less than or equals to B20. A is less than B, but is not equal to B, so one condition is true. It will be returned as true. Example, A less than or equal to B is true. We have done try run. In the next videos, we'll do the implementation.